If you want to add a trendy cyberpunk effect to your photos, you can do it easily in Photoshop. My name is Monika Zagrobelna, and this is how to create a cyberpunk Photoshop effect action, originally written by Marco Kozokar on Envato Tuts. First, open the photo that you want to work with. Pick one that has a lot of contrast, which will help create the vaporwave cyberpunk style. Before we get started, just check a couple of things. Your photo should be in RGB color mode, 8 bits per channel. To check this, go to Image Mode. For best results, your photo size should be between 2000 and 4000 pixels wide high. To check this, go to Image Size. Your photo should be the background layer. If it's not, go to Layer, New, Background from Layer. Now go to Window, Actions. In the Actions panel, click New Set to create a new set and name it Cyberpunk. Then click New Action to create a new action and name it Cyberpunk again. Add a Gradient Map Adjustment layer and name it Color Look 1. In the Properties panel, click on the gradient to open the Gradient Editor panel and enter the same settings as me to create a blue-purple gradient. Change the blending mode to soft light and set the opacity to 70%. Now select the background layer and add a new hue saturation adjustment layer. Name it Color Look 2. Change the settings for each hue to make the colors in the photo cooler. Now select the background layer, add a photo filter adjustment layer and name it Color Look 3. In the Properties panel, set Filter to Cooling Filter 80, Density 25% and check the Preserve Luminosity option. Select the Color Look 1 layer. Add a Gradient Map Adjustment layer and pick a black and white gradient. Name it Overall Contrast. Now change the blending mode of this layer to Luminosity and set the opacity to 80%. Create a Vibrance Adjustment layer and name it Overall Vibrance Saturation. In the Properties panel, increase both Vibrance and Saturation. Add a Levels Adjustment layer and name it Overall Brightness. In the Properties panel, change the value as shown here. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E to make a screenshot and then press Ctrl-Shift-U to desaturate this layer. Then go to Filter, Other, High Pass and set the radius to 2 pixels. Change the blending mode of this layer to Hard Light and set the opacity to 80%. Name this layer Overall Sharpening. And that's all! Now you know how to create a cyberpunk effect in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thanks for watching!